Hey everybody, Matty here with Altcoin Buzz. Happy Tuesday. Today we're taking a look at the new all-time high that Bitcoin wallet addresses has reached on altcoinbuzz.io. In spite of the criticism, Bakkt releases Bitcoin Cash settled futures. You may have heard about that news. Crypto.com has an update. We'll cover it here as well on the website. Matic has dramatically crashed 70% overnight following panic selling. That's according to Changpeng Zhao of Binance. And rounding it out today, transparency and your vote. That's what Vechain wants. Let's kick things off, however, with a snapshot of the market on coinmarketcap.com. $199 billion total market cap. Bitcoin right now down 1.78% in the last 24 hours. Still $7,354. And as you can see, projects are down a percentage point or two, possibly three in some cases. Dominance right now of Bitcoin at 66.8%. Good news, however, here on decrypt.co, Bitcoin wallet addresses reached new all-time high. The total amount of Bitcoin addresses that contain at least some Bitcoin has hit a new number, an all-time high of 28.39 million. And we've just beaten the previous all-time high that was recorded back in 2018. That was 28.39 million, so 10,000 more than that number. Using data provided by blockchain analytics firm Coinmetrics, investor Alex Thorne spotted this trend. Commenting on the milestone, Thorne said that calculating the total amount of Bitcoin addresses with any balance, quote, is one of the best proxies we have to approximate the total number of individual Bitcoin users. Of course, as you know, one individual can have many wallets, and so it's not exactly a one-to-one, but it is the best indication as far as how widespread the usage is. Looking back at the usage, you can see a relatively smooth upward trajectory over the first 9 years of the crypto's existence to a high of 28 million. That was in January of 2018. But by late spring last year, the total number of addresses holding Bitcoin dropped 7 million to a low of around 21 million. And after the low, the number of addresses tended to be around 22 million before growing again in early 2019. As you can see here, this chart says it all. So there was a very steady and a very smooth rise to that 28.38 million before a very precipitous drop off. But good news, we're back at a new all-time high as of this month. Again, 28.39 million Bitcoin addresses. Now on altcoinbuzz.io, in spite of critique, Bakkt releases Bitcoin Cash settled futures. Article here by Christopher. Bakkt is fulfilling its plans and is proud of them, rightfully so. In spite of the community's backlash and their critique, Bakkt seems to be determined to proceed with its agenda, and it has released two new products, including Bitcoin Cash settled futures. Looking now at these two new products, specifically one of them is called Bakkt Monthly Bitcoin Options, and it is the first CFTC regulated option on futures contract for Bitcoin, and the other one, Bakkt Bitcoin Cash settled futures. The contract is available on ICE Futures Singapore. Bakkt had a lot to say on Medium, where they published information about these products. Quote, by starting with the physically delivered Bakkt Bitcoin monthly futures, we have a benchmark contract that provides the foundation for us to develop complementary products based on the needs of our customers. You can read more about that here on medium.com, expanding the Bakkt Bitcoin product complex, Bitcoin options and cash settled futures, now available by Adam White from the 9th of December. Crypto.com now on Twitter. Thanks to the team at AltcoinBuzz.io for this profile on the syndicate and the Crypto.com exchange 1 week until the EOS listing and sale. If you've not heard about this, well, they're referring to this article from today, the 10th of December. Seal the deal. EOS at 50% discount on Crypto.com exchange. Article by Deepika. So EOS worth 500,000 US dollars, that's $500,000, will be allocated to CRO stakers at discounted price. So the Crypto.com platform, which now boasts 1 million users, has launched its fundraising platform, which is the Syndicate, this November. The event premieres with the EOS coin exchange listing on the 17th of December. That's coming up just a week away. As revealed by the company, the event is extra special because it is listing EOS at a discounted price. The listing event gives CRO stakers an opportunity to pocket EOS worth $500,000 $50,000, that's $500,000 US, at a 50% discount. Details follow. So Deepika provides us with a whole lot of information on how you can stake CRO, what the website is all about, the discounted priority token allocation. Make sure you go through this if you're interested, as well as info here on how the syndicate works exactly. But what happens once the EOS listing is live? Well, the EOS sale on crypto.com is going to go live on the 17th of December at 6 a.m. UTC. The EOS subscription period is the 17th of December. Again, that's 6 a.m. to the 18th of December at 5:59 a.m. UTC. The users would be required to pledge a certain amount of CRO to subscribe to EOS. This must exceed, quote, the maximum pledge amount, and you can refer to the table below to get more information on that. So it's not compulsory to use the staked CROs to subscribe for EOS coins, and the EOS distribution time is going to be the 19th of December at 8 a.m. UTC. The final EOS coin allocation will be done according to the table above earlier in this article, and the event participants will receive the allocated amount in their exchange wallets at the distribution time. Our very own Shash commenting on this giveaway, maybe they made a mistake or this is a crazy deal. Stake CRO and get 20% interest per annum and trading discount. Also buy various coins like EOS at 50% discount if you pledge CRO, and you can sell them immediately. And also get $50 MCO on signing, platinum.crypto.com. Here on CryptoPotato.com now, we're covering Matic, which has crashed 70% overnight following panic selling, according to Changpeng Zhao. So Matic has dropped 70% in a day. It was among the first projects to have their initial exchange offering on Binance, their IEO launchpad. It generated serious returns for those who had the chance to participate. But over the last couple of weeks, Matic had been on a serious uptrend, gaining more than 75% against Bitcoin. However, almost all of that came to a swift end in the last 24 hours as the token suddenly dropped, losing more than 70% of its value. CZ commenting on the issue here on Twitter, our team is still investigating the data, but it's already clear that the Matic team has nothing to do with it. A number of big traders panicked, causing a cycle. Going to be a tough call on how much an exchange should interfere with people's trading. And that's an excellent point. It opens up, I suppose, almost a philosophical discussion. But if you do have big whales that are more or less, let's say, call them unaffiliated with the company, unaffiliated with Matic in this case, that are market movers that can disrupt something and cause an asset to crash 70% overnight, do you then go heavy-handed and do you intervene to stop them or prevent them from doing that? Well, what's the justification? Why aren't they entitled to do that if it's their investment, if it's their free will? I see his point there, and it's an interesting little piece of nuance that he raises, and there's not exactly an easy answer to it. On the one hand, you want to promote stability for your website. On the other hand, you don't want to be an interventionist. You don't want to interfere with the free market, and that includes whales and mini whales and orcas and whatnot that want to make big moves when they can. Finally, today on altcoinbuzz.io, transparency and your vote. That's what Vechain wants. Article here by Natalia. Vechain is introducing a governance model for better transparency. So Vechain developed a decentralized voting platform for its ecosystem, and it named it VVote. The platform's aim is to create a governance model for better transparency, and Vechain announced the launch of its new product via its Twitter handle. Here's what they had to say. Announcing an updated and more decentralized governance model for the Vechain platform, powered by the launch of VVote. With this milestone release, VET holders and relevant stakeholders can directly participate in the governance process of the blockchain. All right, that wraps it up for today. But hey, make sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels. We are on Facebook, we are on Instagram, on Telegram, and on Twitter as well. Keep checking back into the website too. It is altcoinbuzz.io. That's where you can keep up to date with all the latest and greatest breaking news. And when it comes to news, make sure you check the description of our videos. That's where we link to everything that we discuss on a daily basis. The description also has information. You can check out how to get your hands on a $50 MCO card. That's courtesy of Crypto.com, as well as info on how to sign up for our newsletter so you can stay even more up to date. But right now, we have another contest to discuss. We have contests every single week, and this upcoming Saturday, we are giving away yet another CryptoTag Zeus starter kit. All you got to do is make sure you're subscribed to Altcoin Buzz on YouTube. You got to like the video between now and Saturday. You got to comment on the video, and a winner will be selected at random. You may as well throw your hat into the running. You could be the winner of our CryptoTag Zeus starter kit. So best of luck if you choose to invest, and we hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.